This is a piece of sheet metal. This is a microprocessor control. This is where you can read the last 366 heat cycles. This is a release sheet. This is the team that shapes the metal into something beautiful. They shape metal into functional works of art that maximize efficiency, consistency, time savings, and safety for both the food and operators. A machine that is forged in quality and built to last. This is what an innovator looks like. In 1926, Charles Taylor saw a problem with slow, messy salt ice cream machines and built an automatic batch ice cream freezer. Innovators don't build machines. They solve problems. Do you think Charles Taylor would have thought a microprocessor would be in an ice cream machine? Since 1926, the team at Taylor Company has constantly been pushing innovation by solving problems, constantly inspiring the global food services industry of what is possible, bringing people together and bringing ideas together. Taylor is a company built by the customer. This is an expert technician. There are 6,500 Taylor technicians worldwide ready to help you. You'll have peace of mind knowing that for routine maintenance or repairs, an expert technician is available around the clock. We are there for you when it counts. 2:30 on a Sunday? No problem. With more than 160 distributors in 125 countries, you can rest easy that if you want to be in Goshen, Indiana, or in Shanghai, China, we can help you make it happen. This is what sets Taylor apart. Innovation and availability wherever you are and whenever you need us. That same innovative spirit that Charles Taylor had in 1926 can still be seen in every one of our products, in our grills, in our soft-serve machines, and in our frozen beverage machines. Taylor's high-quality machines, partnered with our parts and service network, is what makes Taylor the company of choice for the food service industry. From ice cream to burgers, we are building together. From Goshen to Shanghai, we are there for you, whenever and wherever. The Taylor Company.